When a golfer intends to hit a shot one way but the ball does the exact opposite, what is it called? Is it double cross, unintended, opposite shot, or yikes? When a golfer shanks the ball, which part of the club is the ball hit with? Is it the hosel, the shaft, the grip, or the club face?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Which type of golf club is often called the Texas wedge? Is it iron, pitching wedge, putter, or driver? For a right-handed golfer, a slice would indicate that the ball did what? Is it moved slightly from right to left, moved severely from left to right, moved slightly from left to right, or moved severely from right to left? An albatross means that a golfer scored what on a hole? Is it 2 under par, 2 over par, 4 over par, or 3 under par? A bogey means that a golfer scored what on a hole? Is it 2 under par, 2 over par, 1 over par, or 1 under par? For a right-handed golfer, a draw would indicate that the ball did what? Is it moved slightly from right to left, moved severely from right to left, moved severely from left to right, or moved slightly from left to right? What is a golf course that is along a coast with sandy soil underneath called? Is it sandbelt course, parkland course, links course, or heathland course? What should a player yell when they hit a ball in the direction of an unsuspecting player or spectator? Is it nothing, move, duck, or four? What is the shot called when a player does a do-over to replace a bad shot at no cost to their score? Is it repeat, mulligan, take two, or retry?
We release new videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Subscribe now, so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.